Carrots are one of the most popular snacks around the world, particularly in North America and Europe. Their crunchy texture and natural sweetness make them a favorite for healthy snacking. One thing that many of us are guilty of is peeling our carrots. Carrot contains essential vitamins and minerals, including fiber, which supports digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. By peeling them, you miss out on these. Washing is key, so instead of peeling, give your carrots a good scrub under running water. You can also wash with baking soda or soak in a little vinegar. This will remove dirt and pesticides while keeping all those nutrients intact. Another reason to keep the skin on is flavor. The skin adds a slightly earthy taste that enhances the overall flavor of dishes. I can tell you your stir fries and salads will taste even better with the unpeeled carrots. So next time you're in the kitchen preparing carrots, think twice before reaching for that peeler. Keep the skin on and enjoy not only the enhanced taste, but the health benefits. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one.